Channel, hello, welcome, Gaijin's back. It's really hot. We got 2 tickets to see the fireworks at the beach. Let's go. We just tried to stop a cab, but they just ignored us and just went on because the place where we want to go is pretty close to where we live. And I think everybody's going there right now. As you can see, a lot of people in yukata are walking around and all of them are walking. And I think it's just too close for a cab. They want to work more than just like for 10 minutes or something like that. So we gotta walk. We got this thing though, which we bought today, which is really good. Walking along the beach and just listening to those insects that are super typical for Japanese summer. It just feels so, I don't know, so calming. I love it. And everybody's doing the same. We're all just going to the same destination. And I don't know, feels like a little group trip or something like that. It's very interesting. This is the baseball stadium in Fukuoka, the Fukuoka Dome. I think there's also other events besides baseball that happen here. But it's mainly baseball because the team in Fukuoka is actually really famous across Japan. I think they even won the Japanese championship last year. In Japan, baseball is the main sports they do here, and I think at least, and it's really popular. Everybody loves baseball here. Almost everybody. I know some people that don't though. People that didn't pay just sit around here in front of those trees. Actually a pretty good move. It's not stupid, but they cannot see at the beach like us. It really looks like it might rain soon. And the police that are like redirecting the traffic are super loud here in Japan always. Well, everybody's walking. So, the sky just got super dark. Erika just said this looks like a Minecraft sword. One's gotta be proud of your girlfriend when she says that, don't they? I'm proud of you. 紫のとそれ紫はどういう？
紫はね、
スター・ウォーズじゃない？
あ、シルクタッチ、エン
チ
チャント、
エンチャント？
エンチャント。
So the tower was violet before, and she said it looks like an enchanted Minecraft sword. The clouds are super black, and I'm not racist or anything, so we're really scared that it might start raining, and then we have to go home again, and that will be just a bummer. Really glad we bought these, like honestly, best purchase ever in summer. Huh? We're just gonna pray that it's not gonna rain, and we'll just go to our spots, take a blanket, and sit on the beach and watch some fireworks. I also brought beers, by the way, and there's stuff like this.
ビールは300円だから私たちはね持ってきたでしょ。もうほらエンチャントの。
This is an enchanted Minecraft sword, according to Erika.
ほら上の。
Yeah, the most. I don't know what you call it. I'll give up. I give up. Everything in English is just. I give up. English is just not my language.
金魚のわかる？
Kingo. Ah, soka. There's a goldfish on the tower. If you see this, you can see goldfishes. I'm not sure if those are goldfishes though. 赤いの？赤いのと黒いのとね。ほら鯉とか金魚だよ。そうね。Yeah, so we've been walking for like 40 minutes and everybody's going on the same adventure as us. So it doesn't feel as lonely. And you can see that there is thunder. Wow! Yep, there's definitely something coming our way. And we're just hoping that we'll just survive this and get home before it starts raining without getting wet. But we're going to the beach, so getting wet might not be that much of a problem. Oh, it started. Okay, we gotta. Whoa. それ急になんかびっくりだね。
びっくり。
うわ
このタワーとこの
ここすごいね
花火めっちゃ綺麗だった。
It just started out of nowhere, like
びっくり。
I'm lucky that I was filming at that moment. Oh, I was so lucky.
だって今めっちゃ綺麗に見えた。
Yeah, yeah. Wow. That was bonkers. Alright, so I'll see you at the beach, guys. ね。
うん、バイバイ、後でね。雷降ったらさ。
Holy moly. 雷で見た？で雷があったんだけどすっごく近い雷。近すぎ。近。Alright guys, we just managed to get to the beach. It's been a long ride, but we're actually here, and it's crazy. Like a lot of people, a lot of thunders, and the fireworks are lit. We were super lucky.
Super lucky.
Yeah, we were super lucky because we had a... So the thing is, there are a lot of blocks here, so you pay more or less depending on which block you're going to. And we paid for the red block, which is like the second cheapest, but it's still really good view from there. And now we're going there, and the thing is that almost everybody, there are the green and the red block, which are actually the same, but it's just one is on the left side of the beach and one is on the right side. Now we were so lucky that everybody just bought the green thing. Almost nobody bought the red block, so there is a huge line for the green block, and we just walked in because we were red blocks. Super lucky. Super lucky.
私ね、緑がね、近いから緑がいいと思ってた
そう
から。
ね、でもなんかラッキ
本当に良かった。
ー、多分なんか緑一番近いから緑行こうって考えたりして、それ赤いのは本当に少なかった。ここかな。ありがとうございます。
嬉しい、やった。
入れた、よかった。大丈夫じゃないかもね。でも頑張ろう。
頑張ろうね。
なんか雨来たらもうビール飲もう。
飲もう。楽しみ。やばい、みんな入れない人かわいそう。まだ並んでるよ、あそこずっとね。
So we got like those sheets that you can sit on. I feel like this is such a Japanese thing to go to the beach, look at fireworks, and sit on sheets like this.
綺麗。
綺麗だね。
もうフィナーレよ。200の旅を
グランドフィナーレ。
体で作った写真撮ろう。